Nyakorongo jwange tuke mag ligi maduong' ma pacho ka ma bende nogodo chieng' makawuono. Gor Mahia noloyo Bidco United gonde 2-1. Komachielo tim mar APS Bomet odhi amodhi mar gonde 3-3 gi Shabana. Eka e tugo machielo Police FC oloyo Mara Sugar gol 1-0. Posta Rangers bende wuok amodhi mar gol 1-1 gi Mathare United e tugo ma bende nogodo chieng' makawuono e kaunti ma Nairobi. Sani koro Gor Mahia otelo gi point 36 kiluwe gi AFC Leopards mantiere koda point 33.
Ebeneza Sifuaikum ambaye amepenyeza kabisa. Kati naletwa ndani huku. Bado nafaa. Hii theluji wameizoea Kogalo. They are used to being on top.
Sidhani kama kipindi cha pili hatujacheza, tumecheza. Manake referee akiongeza dakika 9 inamaanisha tulikuwa tunacheza, inamaanisha tulikuwa tunalala tu. Kipindi cha kwanza ameongeza dakika 3, kipindi cha pili ameongeza dakika 9. Na kwa hizo dakika 9 ndio tumeconsider. I think after 7 minutes to consider.
In the second half, we made some subs, which was good from our technical men, in a way to still attack and also look for the goals. And eventually, it happened, and so we're very, very happy. It's a good win, a good fight, and we can only be glad that it went through this way. But
kopogore gi mano, tim mar Nairobi United kwano mana seche motelo ne tugo margi mar adek mar group stage mar CAF Confederations Cup.